Okay, let's come over and look at the European markets this morning. Excuse me. So UK FTSE has actually held up remarkably well, despite the flush in the futures. I think it needs a last squiggle down to that 68.99 fib. We haven't hit it yet. We've effectively double bottomed thus far. So I'd rather see just one last push down to finish this move off in the UK FTSE. German DAX, it looks to me, I think this is all part of the 3 of the diagonal still, as opposed to all of it. Let me just tidy that up. And we've come down, I was looking at that 1618 fib when I put the update out this morning at 11195. We've spiked to just above it and reversed. So the question is whether it can still drop down to it, but I'm looking for that to hold and then push up to between 1211 and 12212 for the 4. We would have to take this trend line out, followed by the top of this 2 up here, all the way up at 12886 to suggest this was the 5 in the diagonal. But it doesn't work well as the 5th because the 3 now is too short. So I think it's just the 3, and we're going to get a deep 4 and then a final 5th down in the German DAX before we see the bottom in that index.